Hello everybody, Jim here. Really excited to get into this today. We're looking at a wonderful publisher and edition of Trinity College London Press, Grade 1 piano. And on a side note, Grade 1, the music is really good. It's okay to play Grade 1. And we're going to be looking at stealth mode. And this stealth mode piece was brought up from one of our members in our Facebook group, Adults Learning Beginning Piano. Thank you so much, Marna. And this is written by Melody Bobber. Before I go ahead and play it, I just want to go ahead and talk about a few of the discoveries. There is a lot going on here. We got staccato, dynamics, left hand crossing over, hand positions. I could go on for a good 5 minutes about all the stuff that's going on here. So moving things down here, we got an interesting left hand crossover here. This is pretty quick, so you're going to really want to be able to feel your motion of your hand. Where the A section is stated again, but up an octave. So thank you so much, Melody, because I think this is really important for learners to feel the keyboard and to go to different places. My favorite part is right about here, where all of a sudden it gets really soft and then somewhat explosive and then soft again. That's what music is about. It's about the emotion. It's about the connection of creating different energies. Here I go performing it, and I am at about 152 beats. I think that was the max. Yep, 152 beats per minute, and hopefully you enjoy it. All right, let's do this.